हेलो गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। फ्रेंड्स पिछले टॉपिक्स में कोई डाउट किसी को? इज देयर एनी डाउट? ओके, आज सिर्फ 2 लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो देखो 7 में से सिर्फ 2 लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो इससे क्या है ना कि मतलब जो अटेंड नहीं कर रहे तो उनके लिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि उनको बाद में कई चीज़ें समझ नहीं आएंगी। चलिए वो इशू। ओके, so friends, today I have opened this Dr. Reddy's chart, so let us study this. I will just open daily chart. First of all, I will go to monthly chart, friends. First of all, I will go to monthly chart. I will remove few lines. I have put so many lines there. Okay, so you can see the monthly chart of Dr. Reddy's. I think it's not monthly. I have to recheck it. It's not monthly. I will once again. There is some problem. Yeah, surely it is not monthly chart. Is it monthly chart? Yeah, it is monthly chart. Okay. Okay, friends. So this is our monthly chart of Dr. Reddy's. So I have already marked few things in the chart. So friends, always try to mark mark like this, mark different levels, and try to mark major support resistance levels as per monthly chart, then go to weekly chart and then daily chart. Okay, and then in smaller time frame like 15 minutes, and that way your all the levels will be, you will be aware of all the major levels and trade accordingly. So whenever the stock comes to some just look at this level. Okay, look at this level. This stock was once falling down. Look at this. First it made a lifetime high of somewhere 4,350 somewhere. Sorry friends. Okay, so after this high, the stocks shown a very big, we can say, correction in this month. 1 month correction is so big, so it has fallen from a close of 4273 and had given a closing till 3,100. Okay, so more than, we can say, 1,000 points fall is this. And look at this, after few months, it remained in this range, very small range. Okay, and then started downward fall. So look at this range. Actually there is a level, friends, which was earlier we can say, which was a resistance level in the past. So that acted as a support for the stock, because once resistance, now it once crossed that became the support. So here it was a support and it took support of that level. Okay, again shown some upside movement, again fallen down, so again came to that support level, again reversed. Okay, so now this stock is here. So it is in uptrend continuously for 4th month, because 3 months it is in uptrend. Okay, and in 4th month it is, now we have to see where it goes in this month. Okay, so friends, these things are very important. Okay, support and resistance levels are very important, especially as per the monthly and the weekly charts, because you will get some major support and resistance levels. You will get some major support and resistance levels. Even look at this level. At this resistance level, it tried some upward movement. Look at this level also, but stock could not sustain that level and has gone below. So once any support level is broken, that becomes as a resistance. So stock has a resistance in this level. This level is a strong resistance for the stock. This level, this is 2721. It is a tough resistance for the stock, so stock has to cross that level, okay, to go further upside. So okay, and this level is not easy to cross for the stock. Stock may show some more correction after touching this level. Okay, so today it has already fallen. Okay, today it has given a wild movement. So sorry, not today, yeah, today. Okay, I will go to weekly chart now. So friends, are these levels clear to everybody, that how these levels play an important role in our trading? Look at these levels. Okay, Look at this level. So this is a double bottom level actually. Actually a double bottom level is, you know, it's a reversal pattern. Okay, so this is a reversal pattern, and you could see that stock has a reverse from this double top level. See, after this big fall, stock came here, okay, formed double bottom and again reversed from this. So it touched this level of 1904 and now it is trading at 2600 something. Today it has shown some fall also. Okay, so let us go to one minute. Let us just study this weekly chart also in detail. Look at this, friends. The same levels marked on, you know, monthly chart. Now they look how they look. Okay, so I will now open it in daily chart. So this is our daily chart, friends. Look at all those levels. Okay, so friends, finding these levels are very important. You know, if we know these things are already, if we have kept these things marked, so wherever we are in trading, so whenever we open a chart, okay, so these things are already leveled or marked in our chart, so that will help us, you know, to understand where the stock has support or resistance, and accordingly we can take a trading decision. So it is very important, friends. So I think the concept of support and resistance is clear to everybody. Hello, friends, is the concept of support and resistance clear to everybody? And remember one thing. When we are, you know, suppose we are buying at any support level. So here in this case, we should keep a stop loss of 1%. 1% stop loss is the most important stop loss for when you are trading, you know, support or resistance levels. So always keep a stop loss of 1%. If you are buying, so we should keep a stop loss of 1% below this support level. And in case we are selling somewhere, so we should keep a stop loss of 1% above the resistance level. Okay, so this is a very important concept. 1% concept. You try, even in intraday, if you try this concept, your stop loss would not be hit. Try this. Now that level will be big. Okay, that level will surely be big because we are taking 1% stop loss in case of support and resistance. Okay, level would be surely big. Okay, but that will be a safe level actually. Yes sir. हाँ जी सर, बोलिए सर. जी सर. Yes, stock percent, stock price. हाँ सर, जी. ये पता है, ये लेवल मेरा अपना जो है ना, मैंने काफ़ी इसको टेस्ट किया है. अगर आप 1% का स्टॉप लॉस रखोगे ना सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस के हिसाब से, तो वो बहुत सेफ होता है. वो मतलब हिट नहीं होगा, और अगर वो हिट होगा ना तो आप उसको सीधा ब्लाइंडली अपोजिट ट्रेड ले लो. ठीक है, मतलब अगर मान लो अगर आपने बाई किया है और आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाता है, तो आप उसको फिर सेल कर लो. उसको कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, वो अपोजिट चला गया. मतलब देखो क्या होता है, कोई भी लेवल है ना, सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है, वो समझो एक ऐसा लेवल है कि अगर वो, देखो स्टॉप लॉस का मतलब क्या है. स्टॉप लॉस एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि जहाँ से स्टॉक रिवर्स होना चाहिए. मतलब ये होता है स्टॉप लॉस का ट्रू मीनिंग. ये होता है हम जहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस रखते हैं, मतलब वो ऐसा लेवल है. स्टॉप लॉस ये नहीं कि आपकी मन किया तो आपने 2 रुपये स्टॉप लॉस लगा लिया, आपका मन किया आपने 5 रुपये स्टॉप लॉस लगा लिया, 10 रुपये लगा लिया. नहीं, वो नहीं होता है. एक्चुअली इसका कोई रीज़न होता है. एक ऐसा लेवल होता है कि अगर वो लेवल ब्रेक होगा तो स्टॉक जो है अदर साइड चला जाएगा. ये मीनिंग होता है स्टॉप लॉस का. एक्चुअल मीनिंग ये होता है, यानी कि एक ऐसा लेवल है जहाँ से स्टॉक फिर रिवर्स होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर वो लेवल ब्रोक हो गया मतलब आप वो और नीचे जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर हमने जैसे मान लो हमने ये लेवल पे बाई किया, सपोज यहाँ इस लेवल पे सपोज हमने बाई किया. ठीक है, और हमने स्टॉप लॉस लगा लिया कितना, हमने सपोर्ट से 1% नीचे रख लिया. ठीक है, अगर वो स्टॉप लॉस हमारा हिट होता तो उसमें कुछ सोचने वाली बात नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड है स्टॉक अब, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ नहीं रुका वो, मतलब देखो सिंपल बात है कि यहाँ नहीं रुका है तो ये किसी और नीचे लेवल पे जाएगा. ठीक है, और सेम थिंग जैसे मान लो किसी रेजिस्टेंस से स्टॉक रिवर्स होता है, जैसे मान लो कोई रेजिस्टेंस छू के स्टॉक नीचे आ रहा है, लेकिन अगर एक बार रेजिस्टेंस को क्रॉस कर लेता है, रेजिस्टेंस तोड़ देता है और वो चला जाता है, फिर वो नए रेजिस्टेंस की ओर जाएगा, ऐसे होता है, ठीक है। तो ये बातें आप हमेशा याद रखिए कि एक रेजिस्टेंस को तोड़ने का मतलब है क्या वो दूसरे रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को जाएगा, ठीक है, और एक सपोर्ट को तोड़ने का मतलब आप दूसरी सपोर्ट के पास जाएगा। देखो जैसे मैंने आपको मंथली चार्ट पे दिखाया था, ठीक है, मैं आपको वीकली में दिखा लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। वीकली चार्ट पे आपको शायद थोड़ा सा क्लियरली हो जाएगा। एक मिनट में अभी वही चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि एक बार जब उसने स्टॉप लॉस को तोड़ दिया तो स्टॉक जो है उसने दूसरे एक सपोर्ट को तोड़ दिया तो वो उसने दूसरे सपोर्ट गिर गया। देखो जैसे यहाँ इस रेंज में सपोर्ट था स्टॉक के पास, ये जैसे स्टॉक यहाँ पे गिर रहा था ना, यहाँ इस रेंज में स्टॉक इसके पास सपोर्ट था, ये जब इसने ये रेंज भी तोड़ दिया, जैसे देखो मान लो ये रेंज तोड़ दिया तो ये नीचे आ गया, अब यहाँ पर भी सपोर्ट था, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस था, ये अब सपोर्ट बन गया। ये सपोर्ट भी इसने थोड़ी देर स्टॉक को कुछ मंथ्स हो सकता है, हाँ फ्यू मंथ्स हो सकता है, 1-2 महीने उसने स्टॉक को, ये ज़्यादा महीने के लिए स्टॉक को इसने रोका है यहाँ पे, ये देखो इस रेंज में। लेकिन अब एक बार ये भी तोड़ गया तो फिर देखो कितना नीचे आ गया। तो मतलब आप स्टॉक ने जब ये तोड़ दिया ना लेवल, तो मतलब सीधी बात है कि अब वो वीक है, तो इसको और गिरना है, ठीक है। ये देखिए एक बार यहाँ भी थोड़ा संभला, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी एक सपोर्ट बनता है हमारा, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद थोड़ा सा स्टॉक में अप मूव आया, ठीक है, कुछ टाइम के लिए, और जब स्टॉक ने ये भी तोड़ दिया तो फिर स्टॉक और नीचे आ गया। तो ये चीज है, गॉट इट फ्रेंड्स। सो वंस अ सपोर्ट, if it is broken, that becomes resistance, and stock goes to next support level. And in case the resistance in upside, if stock breaks one resistance, it is surely to move towards the other resistance. Okay, so this is how we keep our targets as first target or second target. So that is actually as per the small we can say support and resistance levels, right? Got it, sir? Okay, so always remember these things. These things are very important. Oh, 1 minute, there is some message. And friends, always try to, now I have taught you few things. Try to apply these things. Apply these things in your trading, so you will surely you will gain some experience. Okay, if you will try these things, so surely you will gain some experience, and you will learn few things. But if you don't try, you don't practice, then it is not easy to learn. Okay, because learning comes with practice only. So friends, you need to practice, right? आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे ना तो आपकी लर्निंग नहीं हो पाएगी। सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू practice and apply these things. Application is very important. If knowledge is powerful only when applied. Okay, if you don't apply knowledge, then it is useless. Application is important. Got my point, friends? Is this thing clear? That we must apply whatever knowledge we have, whatever you have learned or whatever you are learning. Okay, you must apply, you must try to trade. And if you are not sure of anything, just try with a small quantity, just like trade with one quantity only. You can take just if you get something, you got some condition that you feel that stock can go higher. Okay, so you can take one quantity only. If you don't want more risk, you just buy one quantity of share, one number. Okay, and see how it does, whether it works as per your expectation, your what do you think that as per your study. Okay, so whether it goes in your direction or not. So you just study that. Slowly you will get to learn things, and you will you will get some experience also. So these things are very important. Okay, now 4 members are there. Good. Good evening everyone. फ्रेंड्स, यू मस्ट अप्लाई द नॉलेज. ओके, आप अपने जो भी कुछ सीखते हैं, जो भी मैं सिखा रहा हूँ आपको, उसको आप ज़रूर अप्लाई कीजिए. अगर आप उसको अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो आपकी लर्निंग नहीं हो पाएगी. तो आपको ट्रू लर्निंग के लिए आपको चीज़ों को अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ऑलवेज ट्राई द थिंग, ट्राई टू अप्लाई योर नॉलेज. Okay, so is the concept of support and resistance clear to everybody? That how to play support resistance? So I have told you that the most important thing whenever you are whether you are taking it a positional trade or for intraday trade, so always keep 1% above or below the support and resistance as a stop loss, and your reward should be in the ratio of at least 1:2 of the stop loss. If you are playing with 1% stop loss, so our target should be 2%. Okay, and it will surely give you that much profit if you are taking buy or sell from a particular strong support or resistance level. So is this thing clear? Is the concept of support resistance clear, friends? Hello friends, can you hear me? Okay, रंजन सर कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप? रंजन सर, आई थिंक इनका वो ऑन है, क्या बोलते हैं, इन्होंने अपने म्यूट नहीं किया होगा ऑडियो. ओके ओके, दिख रहा है कैसे? ओके, चलिए, सो लेट अस सी. So friends, I will tell you one more thing. Let us try some moving average. Okay, now till now I have told you just support resistance, and I told you about this super trend also. So friends, you can take the help of super trend. Super trend is a very good indicator. Okay, most of the time it helps us in finding the direction of the market. Okay, most of the time it helps us in finding the direction of the market, that where the market can go. So you could see here super trend has given a sell, so all throughout it was shown sell. Look at this on monthly weekly chart. Actually this is weekly chart, so you can make use of super trend also. So see, for this quite a long time super trend was still in the selling side, so it still gives us a idea that stock can further go downside. But yeah, it moves from step by step, it moves step by step. So you can make use of this indicator. This indicator is quite helpful in finding the direction. Look at this period of time. Here it was a false signal. Okay, sometimes it gives false signals also. Sometimes it gives false signal. Look at this level. There was a false signal. Okay, on the weekly chart there was a false signal. So someone might have shorted at this level and keeping stop loss of somewhere this level. But its stop loss would be hit. Okay, so somewhere it may give wrong signal or false signals also, but those are rare and we cannot do anything, right? And see here, once again, here is also a wrong signal or false signal, we can say, in the buy side. The stock has given some upside movement, but this stop loss would be hit. Okay friends, so sometime it may give us false signals also. Now let us try moving average combination, friends. So I will add some moving averages, because moving averages also play a very important role. So friends, I will add here 3 moving averages. Okay, one is, it is by default it is 50, so I will keep it as such, 50. Second, I will add small moving average of 20. Okay, and I will keep its color. Let us change its color to green. And let us take one more moving average, that is 200. So friends, this concept of 50 and 200 day moving average is very, very important. Okay, we can make use of these two moving averages and play accordingly. Okay, sorry, I will change its color also because it seems same. 250, the colors are same, so I will make it dark red. Friends, are these moving averages visible? Are these colors visible to all? This is 200-day moving average, this is 50 red, and this green is 20. Okay, so you can make use of these moving averages and as additional confirmation, along with, we can say, support resistance, or for buy and sell entry. These moving averages are quite helpful. Now look at this. On weekly chart, this stock is rising, okay, and you know the moving averages are coming in support, so they are indicating, and see, smaller moving averages, this 20 period, it is trying to cross this red, that is 50 period, so it is an indication that it's the buying side, okay, but it has to stop on weekly chart. Stock has to cross you know, above this 200-day, so we can show that now the trend is really upside and it can make some movement, because stock has fallen from a very big level. Actually, this stock has fallen from a 4,000 level, 4,300 level, okay. So now it is still, it has to cross this 200-day moving average, okay, so then only we can think of it's moving back to its 4,000 level again, right? So see here, friends, at this point, when this 200-day moving average has crossed both these moving averages, 20 period and 50 period. So 20 and 50 period is very important actually. So once stock has crossed, sorry, these moving have crossed these levels, okay, so it is surely a very big, you know, sign that stock will further fall down. So now it has gone down from that level, okay. Let us go back. So actually, friends, you can make use of these moving averages typically on the daily chart. On daily chart, you can take a, you know, positional trade based on these 20 and sorry, not 20, 50 and 200 period moving average. So I will remove this super trend. I think it looks it is little confusing. Okay, I'm just removing 200 period moving average. Sorry, this super trend. Sorry, I am removing super trend. So now look how the chart look like. So on daily chart, you know, these moving averages are very good to trade as a positional, to take a positional decisions. Look at this. Let me show you back from where the stock has gone down. Look at this level, friends. And always remember, friends, whenever we have to go buy or sell, we should avoid a condition when moving chart is, you know, moving averages are between the charts. Just look at this level. There is no condition. It seems that you know, sometimes they're going up and down, okay. So we need a, you know, condition where there is a gap. Look at this condition. Actually there is a big fall, okay, and that's why the moving averages are far away. So wherever, you know, there is a condition like this, so we should sell somewhere in this range. In this candle should sell. Okay, so in sell side, it's a very good, you know, movement downside. So actually, friends, these moving averages, this 50 and 200 period moving averages are very important. So all the big players, okay, those who take you know, some positional trades, so they make use of this 50 and 200 moving averages to take a, you know, short time, you know, or we can say some positional trades. Okay, so especially look at this on daily chart. This 50 period has crossed 200 period moving average. So that means one would have taken the buy side entry in this Dr. Reddy stock above this level, anywhere in this level, actually close to this level. keeping a stop loss few points below this, or just at this point, at the crossover point, and when this stock has gone above this. So we can take a buy entry in this range, and in this range we would have taken a buy call, buy entry, okay, and keeping stop loss little below this moving average crossover. And see, from that, if suppose someone has taken a buy entry in this range also, this is 226465 somewhere, okay, keeping stop loss of somewhere we can say 2200, actually 2200 somewhere, okay. So with a stop loss of, we can say 60 points, stock has moved up to 2600 somewhere, okay, and still it is, you know, it is still going up. Okay, so big players, you know, they make use of this 50 and 200 period moving average to take positional trades on daily chart, but always remember they take a decision as per daily charts. Friends, is there any issue with the sound? Because I am getting some message that you may experience some network issue. Friends, is my sound voice clear? Hello? Okay, I am getting some message. Have you got this concept, friends, what I am saying? That big players, you know, all the, you know, the positional traders, they make use of, you know, these moving averages are very important actually. And they're, you know, when this 50 period moving average cross the 200 period moving average, this is called golden cross. What we call it? We name it as golden cross. Okay. And in case the 200 period moving average cross above 50 period moving average, that is called the death cross. So look at a death cross. Let me show you where there is a death cross. Once the stock is, you know, gone below death cross, so surely it will fall down. Okay, so see, somewhere here there is a death cross. Okay, after this death cross, stock has gone, see, stock has fallen down. See, after that death cross, stock has fallen down from this level to this level, and see again it could not maintain and then further gone downside. Look at this. Even this 20 and 50 period crossover is also, you know, they are, after this also the stock has fallen so much. So these moving arrows, you know, they help us in, you know, understanding the market direction. And, you know, simply they act as support and resistance, friends. These moving averages act as support and resistance. So once the stock goes below moving averages, they act as resistance, and once the stock goes above these moving averages, they act as support. I will make one change, friends. In place of 20 period, I will make it to 10 periods, you know, and that can be used as a to exit, to take some exit decisions also. We can take a decision that where we have to exit. Okay, so we can take 10 period moving average to decide if we have bought somewhere. Suppose we have bought in this entry, okay, somewhere we have taken a buying decision. So, you know, once the stock goes below this 10 period moving average, there we need to exit. But see, it has just touched it, we can say, but it has not gone below it. So it is a small little part of the candle is, you know, below the moving average. 10 period I am saying. So this 10 period moving average can be used to take an exit position, to exit from the longer short trades. Okay, so at this level still stock is, you know, it is still above this level, so we are not supposed to exit. If we have taken a buying entry in this level, somewhere 2200, 50, 60 somewhere, okay, because above this crossover, and keeping up stop loss of few points below, maybe 2200 I am saying, because crossover has happened at 2217, okay, 2217, so we should keep a little below that also. So I am taking, for safe side I am taking 2200, because I am just telling you about for positional trade. So see, it is on from 13th of August. This crossover happened on 13th or 14th. Suppose one would have taken entry on 14th of August. So till the time stock has made a move from 2250-60 level, it has moved up to 64. So it has given us 200 points movement. Sorry, 2200 I think. Yeah, so it has given us 400 points movement, friends. 400 points, it matters. From that level, from a level of 2260 somewhere, stock has moved till date, it has moved up to 2660. So it has clearly given us 400 points. So is this trade was not good, friends? Is this not a good trade? So this is a wonderful entry. So big players actually do this like this, okay? And you know, they always keep a profit target of about 20%. Okay, so if we calculate this percentage, so I think it is more than, let us just calculate also. I will do it on my calculator. You can also do it on your calculators, that how much percentage is this. It has given us 400 points. Okay, 400 where we have entered 2260 somewhere. So friends, it has given us 17% movement so far. 17.7% profit is this. So 17% profit. Okay, so big player actually what they do, they keep the target of somewhere 20%, and you know, if they get any condition that somewhere, you know, the 10 period moving average, you know, chart is going below that, okay, so they can take the profit, they can exit. If still the condition is same, the stock keeps on moving upside, so they keep trailing. We can say they keep trailing stop losses, just like actually they do in the way that they keep you know, observing the charts on daily basis and see any day the stock has shown you know, movement below this moving average, so they will take a decision to exit. Okay friends, so far this stock has given us 17% move, so that's really wonderful trade. Is this thing clear, friends, that how we can make use of this 50 and 200 day moving average? And but always remember that this strategy is you know, most commonly applied on the daily chart. Now we can make use of it in we can intraday charts also, but in intraday this thing can be very late also. But for positional trade, it's on the daily chart. Okay, so it works really well. Or we can take it on hourly chart also, friends. If we take it as per hourly chart, so it can give us you know, right time entry and right time exit also. So let me show it on hourly chart, because on hourly chart it can, but yeah, and as per hourly chart, here the 10 period moving average, you know, that may create us confusion many a times. See here in this time also, it has given us some confusion. Because see, it has given a fall below that, and even at the below 50 period moving average also, but stock, you know, after that it again made a good movement also. So that's why this strategy is, if as a positional trade strategy, we should apply this thing only on this daily chart. Because in hourly chart, it has given us a, we can say, a kind of fear in many times. Just like at this level, if we are using this on hourly chart, we would have taken an exit at this level. So this strategy is mainly applied on daily chart for as a positional trade. Okay friends, I think there is some problem with the chart today. It's slower. Chart is not smooth today. Hello sir, good evening. Today my chart is not smooth. I think there is some problem with the chart. It is not running smoothly. Yeah, no, somewhat confusing. 1 minute. Okay friends, is this thing clear? So always try to take some, if you want some positional trade. Okay, so always take a positional trade based on this 50 and 200 period simple moving average. Take a decision to buy or sell. Okay, and follow it strictly friends, follow it strictly. Whenever stocks goes below any of these moving averages, especially if we are taking a positional trade, so we should take a decision when stock goes below 50 period, we should exit. Strictly we should exit that level. See, just like it has given us a buying opportunity. Okay, now stock is trading above. Okay, so it has made to this high also. Okay, so nowhere there is a condition that it will still it's clearly showing that it can further go upside. And take use the concept of support and resistance also. Today my chart is not smooth friends, there is some issue with the chart. I think it is not smooth actually. Maybe my net is slow or some issues there. Let me try one more today chart is not smooth. So friends, have you got about this strategy, the concept of moving average for positional trade, how we can make use of this? So always apply this thing on daily charts, and we can make use of this 10 period simple moving average for exit. We should take an exit once stock goes below this 10 period moving average. So there we need to exit, just like we have taken buy entry from this level. Okay, so anywhere the stock goes below this 10 period moving average, the chart goes below that, there we need to exit. I will try one more small moving average, so let us try how it looks. I will add 5 period moving average also, just take to check how it looks. Yeah, it is confusing actually. 5 period is confusing, but yes, if we don't want any risk, but yeah, it has created some confusion this time also, this time. So avoid 5 period. Okay, avoid 5 period. Stay with 3, 10, 50 and 200 period moving average. Yeah, and friends, always remember this condition. You could see that when the chart is not going sometimes it is immediately going up and down, up and down. So we should avoid this condition. This condition should be where the moving averages are far away from each other. When the moving averages are far away, that is not the right condition to buy or sell. We should take a buy or sell entry only at when both the moving averages at a point, okay, are there clearly above and below the chart. So that is the right time to take a buy or sell entry. So here in this case, our buy or sell entry is only based on 50 and 200 period moving average. So we have to follow it strictly. Whatever things you follow, follow that strictly, friends. Trading is not as difficult as we people think, okay, or we make it, because we add too many things and we are not able to take a right decision. So make it simple, follow something, and you must try to practice, because practice, nothing is possible without practice. Apply these things, try to practice, and after practice, once you will get some confidence, you will get some experience. Maybe you are losing with small, if in your learning time, we should try with small quantity. We should try with small quantity, so that there is no or not big losses. Today this chart is not smooth, friends. Let us try with investing.com. maybe Zerodha has some problem. Some issue is there. I think internet issue is there. Chart is very slow. I will just refresh once. Okay, friends, so I will try to open investing.com. Maybe there is some issue with Kite app. What is this? It is not loading. System seems very slow. Okay, so let us try some other stock, friends. Friends, do you want any stock to be discussed? If you want to discuss any stock, please tell me the name. Sun Pharma? Okay, sir. Today my chart is not smooth. I think I am not able to get what is the reason. Yeah, and friends, always remember, we just add RSI also. RSI will also give us some direction. So add RSI also to this setup. So I will add moving average. I will add volume also, and then moving average. So I will add 3 moving averages, simple moving averages. What is this? Okay, so I have applied 3 moving averages. Oh sorry, there are so many. I will remove. We need 3 moving averages. Okay, so one I will keep it from 9 to 10. Sorry, 10. Change the color. I will make it keep it blue. Actually, let us keep it blue. The second one I will take as 50 period. I will make its color Let us make its color green. 50 period I will make green, and we'll change its value from 9 to 50. Thirdly, I will take 200 period moving average. Okay, and I will keep its color red. Okay friends, so you can keep at this level, you can watch at this level what colors I am using. For 10 I am using blue color, for 50 period I am using green, and for 200 period I am using red color. Okay, so now let us see. Yeah, this is already on daily chart. So first of all I will go to monthly chart. Friends, always try to, whenever you are taking any positional trade, so you must check monthly, weekly and daily charts, daily level for the stock. So that thing will help us a lot in understanding the overall direction of the stock, overall behavior of the stock, and how good or bad a stock is. Means it will help us in taking a right decision of the stocks. You will simply understand that how good or bad a stock is by looking at monthly and weekly and daily charts. So look at this level. Actually Sun Pharma was trading in this range. Okay, somewhere 143 somewhere. Okay, see, it has moved from that level, it has gone up to 1000 level. It has made, actually it has touched 1200 level also. So its lifetime high is somewhere 1200. Okay, its lifetime high is somewhere 1200, friends. Yeah, I will keep a cursor here. Okay, yes, its lifetime high is 1280, 1200.80. So this is the lifetime high of the stock. And now look at monthly chart, how it looks, friends. On monthly chart it looks that stock is, it has taken a support of this 50 period movie. So there are high chances, friends. Simply looking at monthly chart, it seems that stock can go higher now. Look at this, and there is a strong support level. So always remember the concept of supports. So I will add. So looking at monthly chart gives us very clear picture. Look at this level. So this level can be, this level is actually a strong support level. Okay, this is a very strong support level from where stock has, once it was fallen down and it has taken support of this level, and see, now it has gone up. Now it is actually at 1 minute, I think there is some overlapping. No, sorry, it's not labeling, it is overlapping. I will go to scale properties. Okay, so you can clearly see what all levels are there. I will just make it few lines. I will take one more. Okay, so I think it's enough. Okay, so I have taken few lines as different levels. Okay, and we can just make some changes. So this is one resistance level. Okay, so stock is almost at this level, friends. So it has to cross this level to move to this level, fresh level, that is about 800. So this is the level of somewhere around 650-60, friends. Once this stock will cross this level of 650-60 somewhere, then we can see it. The next strong resistance level would be somewhere around 800. Somewhere around 800 we can say. Yes, 800. If once that level is crossed, so there is nearby resistance somewhere 900 and so on. After 900 the next level would be 1000. Okay, so I have marked some major level on the monthly chart. So let us now go to weekly chart. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, friends. Today my chart is not smooth. Some issues with, I think there's some problem. The charts are not running properly. They're slow. Okay friends, so you could see here that stock has taken reversal from this level. Look at this level. This is a double bottom level. So the chart is not smooth, friends. It is quite irritating actually. Okay, so see, it has to cross this level, friends. Once stock gives a closing above this level, first level somewhere what is this level actually? I will check on daily chart actually. So see friends, stock has taken a, we can say, from this level stock has gone that level but shown some weakness. It has shown some weakness, okay, and it has once gone below this 10 period moving average also. It has gone below this 10 period moving average also, because there was a resistance. Okay, so it may show some healthy correction, we can say little correction, just like it has corrected for 2 days. Just like look at this level, friends. For 3 to 4 days, 5 days actually, stock shown some correction and then again a big move upside. Okay, right, so it has still came to this level, so we will keep a stop loss of this level, 620 level we will keep as a stop loss. I will take a line. Let us make its color blue. So friends, we can keep we will keep this 620 level as, because see there is a support. You could see that there is a support level, friends. Okay, so we can keep a support at this level, and see stock has, today its closing is actually at 638. 638 is the closing price. It has fallen actually, today it has fallen, and the previous trading session is also, it has fallen. Okay, because see from this level it has fallen down to this. Okay, and today it has further fallen down. Okay, so we can suppose we have to buy, or we have already bought, so we will keep stop loss of this 620 level, okay, and be in position till the time it does not cross this, does not break this level, so we can go long. Okay, once this level is broken, friends, surely it will come somewhere around this level. This is 580-90 level somewhere, because there is a resistance, so that can act as support. So 580-90 level is, then it will show some fall. Okay, if that level is also broken, then the next level is 550 somewhere. And see RSI friends, if you look at the daily RSI, so it is clearly shown that stock has gone down. So it may come closer to, you know, tomorrow also it may give some correction, or it can take a support also, because see there is a level. There is a level friends from where once it has fallen down, so there is a level. Okay, so it will either, you know, reverse from this level. It may either reverse from this level, or we can say or it can fall down to this level. So maybe this time again it touches somewhere 620, somewhere it may touch it and then reverse. If it breaks this 620 level, then we can see further fall to 585.90 somewhere. It will surely come to this level because there is no support in between. So stock cannot, you know, we can say stand anywhere without position. So it has to fall. But yes, this level of 617.20 level seems to be very strong support. Okay, so I am not expecting that stock can break this level. Okay, and as I have shown you monthly chart, the stock is very good actually. It has done good in the past also. Look at this stock, how it has done. It has done very well in past also. Now it will surely it will be a, you know, if any stocks gives us some you know, little fall also, so it will be a buying opportunity friends. So big investors can take a buying entry close to this level, somewhere anywhere it gets close to 500 level somewhere. So we should take a buying opportunity. That will be a buying opportunity. Because his stock has fallen from this level of 1200. Okay, it has came to this level, okay, once and then took support. Okay, so surely it will not fall down to that big level. Today there is some problem friends. There is charts are not smooth actually. I am not able to move charts, so there may be some issue, maybe network issue today. See, I am trying to move the chart back but not happening. Yes, someone asked me how to use this Ichimoku. Okay, so friends, let me show that how to use that indicator also. That's a very good indicator. Ichimoku cloud. So it's a very good directional indicator friends. It tells us the direction. So see, it has given a, you know, look at this daily chart. The stock is, you know, once this, there is a red cloud above, so here we should sell. Okay, and once stock is above this level, so till the time the stock is above this green range, you could see that there is a green range. Till the time the stock is above this level, we can be in the long position. So simply it is, once it is above this level, okay, so that shows a buying opportunity. Or see, look at this level, it once came to this level, okay, took support at this level and again moved up. So this is a simple indicator. We can see that once there is a green range below, okay, and stock goes above, so that is a condition to, just like look at this, stock was once said it came down, it has given reversal from this, okay. Let me show back. Today actually my chart is not smooth. See, this chart is not moving actually. So friends, always remember that indicators, indicator is something different, okay. Indicators sometimes, sometimes indicators are late, and sometimes the signals of the indicators are wrong. So try to understand as per proper support and resistance levels are very important, friends, okay. They play a very important role. So indicator may be wrong sometimes. Look at this level, actually stock was below this range, this cloud, and see it was falling down. See, it once came to this level, it came to middle of this level, okay, middle of this cloud, red cloud, pink cloud, and again fallen down. So here it was a right selling opportunity when stock tried, but we have to add some condition, okay. Just like stock was once it came down, okay, it was once rising up to this level, okay. Here it could not break this level and tried falling down. So here we should sell. We can sell at this range, and after that stock has gone down. Friends, there is some problem with the charts today, so it is quite irritating actually. It seems very irritating because chart is not moving properly. So simply we can take, once this stock was in below, this cloud is below, that can be, especially in case the buying side, this green cloud is below, so that's a condition that we can buy. So see, it has touched, it may touch somewhere in the body of this cloud, in the middle of the cloud also, and there we have to see, once it gives some reversal sign, we should buy, okay. So see, it was the right buying entry in this stock in the range of 555. It moved up to, so it has given us good 678, 80, somewhere 75, let us say 675. So means 100 points move in a short span of from 13th August to this date. So friends, I think we should close this session here, because the charts are not smooth and it is quite irritating. See, chart is not moving properly. So friends, you avoid this indicator. There is no need of this indicator because it is looking okay. It doesn't look, and always we should not depend on the indicators purely, okay. We should try to understand the major support and resistance levels, okay, and we have to look at the conditions of, okay, there are some signs of reversal, okay, so we should follow those things rather than totally depending on indicators, because indicator, they tell it, it shows as per how the stock is behaving. Stock cannot behave as per indicator, but indicators are created as per the stock movement, right? Indicator cannot create price, but price creates the indicator. See, today the chart is not moving here and there, so it is, I think it is not worth continuing. Quite difficult. Sometimes it is moving, sometimes it is not moving. So friends, I am closing the session here. So I have told you the concept of 50 and 200 period simple moving average on daily chart. So how we can take a buying and selling entry and I have added 10 period moving average also for exit, right? Anywhere we get a crossover of 50 period moving average crossing above the 200 period moving average, so there we can take a buy entry. We should keep a stop loss few points below the crossover, okay. And for the target side, and as per the daily chart, our target should be somewhere around 10 to 20%. But if any day the stock goes below 10 period moving average, okay, at least continuously for 1 day, 2 days, then we should exit. Especially friends, in case of exit, we can wait for maximum 3 days. If stock continuously for 3 days it remains below, you know, the moving average of this 10 periods, so there we need to exit, right? So maximum wait we can do for 3 to 4 days. Just I look at this, stock has touched, you know, the 10 period moving average. It has just touched it, okay. Maybe tomorrow it can fall below this, okay, maybe, I am not sure, nobody can say it, okay. So maybe it may continue the fall. So right, in that condition that stock would be below 10 period moving average, and if that continues for 2-3 days, okay, so surely we should take an exit, because stock can then come back to somewhere, you know, our entry level or so. So here we need to exit, and it's a reversal sign actually. When a stock continuously falls, you know, for 3-4 days, it continuously keep falling, okay, for 3-4-5 days, so in a continuous way, so that is an indication that stock can further go downside. So there we need to exit. Okay friends, so I am closing the session here. Reason being, you know, this chart is not smooth, okay. See, it is not moving properly. So okay friends, so you try to apply this thing, and remember, in case of, you know, wherever we are taking a buying entry, add RSI, okay, and mark the level of 50 friends, mark the level of 50 on our side, and when stock is above 50, okay, when stock is above 50, that's a condition that we can take as a confirmation, okay. For buying side, it is a confirmation that if it is above 50, that's a confirmation, further confirmation that stock can go higher. So I will just check it, okay. So I have placed the RSI here, so you can see here there is a crossover of 50 and 200, okay, and at that time the RSI was above 50. So that is a further confirmation. We can keep stop loss somewhere below this level, crossover level, okay. So from this level, in this range, we have bought, suppose we have bought here, stock has gone to this level, so here we can keep stop loss of this level, a little below this. So okay friends, good night. I am closing the session here. Reason being, you know, the chart is not smooth. There is some issue today. Maybe there is some network issue.